Regular expressions can match any text pattern imaginable. Excel's native regex functions eliminate the need for VBA or external tools to parse complex text data. REGEXEXTRACT takes a text string and a regex pattern, returning the first match. Extract email addresses, phone numbers, zip codes, or any structured pattern from messy text with one formula. REGEXMatch returns true or false based on whether a pattern exists in the text. Use it for data validation. Check if emails are valid, if codes follow a format, or if strings contain required elements. I cover the 10 regex patterns every Excel user should know: digits, word characters, email format, phone numbers, dates, URLs, currency amounts, alphanumeric codes, repeated words, and whitespace cleanup. Live demo parsing a messy contact list. Extracting emails with REGEXEXTRACT, validating phone formats with REGEXMATCH, and standardizing addresses with REGEXREPLACE, all without VBA. Regex is a superpower for data cleaning. Save the pattern cheat sheet from the description and subscribe for more advanced Excel techniques.